So one of the reason of trouble code P0810, what it can be. Sometimes the old version of TCM making this problem and need to change it to latest one. Yes, it for all models with 5-speed gearbox, all Yaris, Aigo, Corolla, Auris, Corolla Versa, all models. How to check what is the number? You can see it physically, or you can do it via scanner or with the ELM 327 with application car scanner. Now I will show how to do it. Application car scanner, and what we have, let's connect. Toyota OBD, this protocol. Okay. And what we have? We have ECU identifiers. And what we have? We have two ECU. This is the engine, and this one for gearbox. And see what is number. And then, and if on this place you have 0, it means 0, it's the first version. This can make some problem. In this car, you see, it has 1 on the end. 1, it's the second software. Also, it can be 2, much more better, it's third. And some of models have 3. Yes, it's the fourth version of the software. So if you have on this place 0, it's no matter what the model, any model, need to change it to another one.